Today I'm going to be marinating some jackfruit because of something I was supposed to do. I was going to do on Friday, but it just got a little delayed. Friday was both National Kabob, it was both World Kabob Day and National Cheer Up Lonely Day. So I decided to combine the two and do something a little special here. But right now I'm going to start off with a marinated jackfruit. Jackfruit, if you're not familiar, is one of the biggest fruits there is. Do not ever get a full fresh jackfruit. Get canned. If you get the full jackfruit, you'll be feeding people for decades. It just goes on. It's huge. It's bigger than a watermelon. So this is 1 can of jackfruit that I'm gonna put in. This is drained. Make sure you look for seeds, but you don't want to shred it. And next we have a tablespoon of sesame oil, moving 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of coconut aminos. That. A teaspoon of maple syrup. I think this might have actually done the maple syrup, but I screwed up. There's that. That one I just added in. Oh no, that's right. Okay, so I also have a rice wine vinegar in here, and then garlic and ginger. I think I got everything out of the cups there. This is the garlic. I have 2 teaspoons of garlic, or it's a little over a clove, but I'm a garlic fiend. I love garlic. You don't have to put as much in as you don't, you can always do all this to taste. You don't have to do the exact recipe. A teaspoon of ginger, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ginger. So there's that. And we're gonna mix that up. Grab a spoon here. I might need to add a little bit. I might need to make more of the marinade because there's not that much here. Because we're going to let this soak and it's not enough to cover anything. So this is about enough for basting, but it's not enough for soaking. But the marinade goes for another, you have to marinate this for a half hour, for 15 minutes to a half hour. You can go up to an hour at most, but it does soften it up some. So don't go overboard. But I will be I'll probably be doubling, if not tripling, this recipe in order to get more of the liquid. Jackfruit does come. This is young jackfruit in brine. Do not get the stuff in syrup. It adds more sugar than we need. And so Trader Joe's, by the way, just used to sell it. They don't anymore. They just quit. So Asian market is your best bet, which is where I got this stuff from. And another reason why this was delayed.